Hey guys, thanks for joining me for another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a quick review on the Thermal Hair Care Hothead, and of course I'll be showing you how I use it. And since I'm going to be doing a deep conditioning treatment, I always like to start out with clean, damp hair. The hair mask I'm using, by the way, is by Shea Moisture. It's the 100% pure coconut one. I'll link it below, but I always like to start out on damp hair so that my hair can absorb the product better. At least that's what works for me. So if you've been part of the squad for a while, aka Nique Squad, you know the drill. It's the same routine every time I do a deep conditioning treatment. I apply the mask all over from roots to ends, and once I have all the product in, I like to do these little loose twist all over. It just kind of keeps my hair organized and it prevents it from tangling up. Now y'all should already know that I am not afraid to use a grocery bag on my head when deep conditioning, but since they did provide these plastic caps, that's what I'll be using today. I believe you can get these in a pack of 10 on their website. But now on to the start of the video, which is their hothead, and it's basically a deep conditioning heat cap. And in order for this to work, you have to use a microwave, and it's pretty easy. They send you instructions on how to use it. You basically just put it on a microwavable plate and heat it up in 3 45-second increments while flipping the cap inside out and then back to its elastic side each time you do it. So this heat cap does have a little bit of weight to it because it's filled with natural flax seeds, and if you didn't know, flax seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for healthy hair growth. Now it says for best results to use between 20 and 30 minutes, but I always like to deep condition for at least an hour, and what I do find is that I have to reheat it after about 30 minutes of using it because it starts to get cool. But other than that, I've really been loving using this hothead. I've been using it for almost 4 months now, and I can move around freely and multitask around the house, which is a huge plus for me, being that I have a little one who likes to rip and run everywhere. So trust me, it's very handy as a busy mom. Plus, it still does an effective job at penetrating my hair with indirect heat. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it for this quick review. If you're interested in purchasing one, I'll make sure to have all their information listed below. They do come in other designs and prints, but you guys know I'm a sucker for cheetah print. But anyway, special thanks to Thermal Hair Care for sponsoring this video, and thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!